Learn BC. You're here with Jared and we're talking BC tips. This is tip 11 and we're here talking about edit in Excel. I'm sitting here in Business Central. I've gone into my items and I've made the decision, you know what, we want to use a second description. So how do I do it? Via the share menu, you've got the ability to share this to edit in Excel. Now, if I click this and you have run your assisted setup and you've configured Excel, it's going to save the file in your OneDrive and it's going to open it in the web browser. Now, up until recently, this only worked in the traditional Excel on Windows and Macs were excluded. This now works on a Mac. I'm sitting on a Mac right now. It works beautifully. I hit sign in. Here we are. Allow the data loads. And I'm just going to be a little cheeky here. I'm going to say, hey, so I'm going to type in this field in description. Just wait for the data to load. There it is. This is a cool way to edit a Excel sheet in Dynamics 365 BC. And I'm going to hit one of these buttons down the corner here. I can click publish and off it goes, right? So updating workbook, writing, there we go. I hit refresh on the page, give it a second, and all of this is edited. So edit in Excel is a function that you can use all across Business Central where it's available in the share menu. Every data grid, most of the common ones, and I say 90% of them, have edit in Excel enabled. Keep following us for BC work tips on Learn BC. I'll see you in the next video.